Hello everyone. Welcome to another episode at wackorashgaming. After playing this joint exercises solo assault for the last 44 days, I'm finally here at level 200. I've been taking it slow and steady, and I ask all of you to continue to be patient and persistence to continue this daily. This is an event that lasts for 166 days with me having another 102 days remaining. As you can see, I have 2 levels with my avatar on the aircraft solo assault, where I completed these levels at the red Mission Impossible levels in state 198. My aircraft is at level 5 star, and I have maxed the aircraft components infantry lethality, infantry health and hunter lethality. Today I would like to share with you my achievement when I finally finished the level 200. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, leave a comment and turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos.